My name is Hersh Varma. I'm a pediatric and adult neuro-ophthalmologist and strabismus specialist. I see adults here at Ohio State University, and I see kids over at Nationwide Children's Hospital and in the private clinic there at Pediatric Ophthalmology Associates. My patient care philosophy comes to me from my many mentors. As a neuro-ophthalmologist, I've been taught to listen to the patient's history and story. Oftentimes my patients come to me with very lengthy stories, lots of medical records. They've seen lots of specialists before who've done their best to help, and yet there's still lingering questions that they finally come to see me for. So the first thing I do when a patient walks in is just keep things open-ended and get to know them, get to learn about them personally, and then provide them reassurance by placing them at the center of their own care. Empower them to ask the questions, to seek the answers, and then hopefully eventually feel satisfied with whatever level of vision that they have, as long as it's the best vision that we can give them. I chose ophthalmology actually before I chose medicine. I grew up wearing glasses. I always had really big glasses as a kid. I grew up experiencing what it was like to have to go to the eye doctor a lot, get those dilating drops. And so eventually I realized I finally met an ophthalmologist who cared to hear what I had to say and my experiences. And it was the first time that I connected with someone like that in medicine, where I felt heard and I felt listened to, and I felt like I was no longer the patient in the scenario, but an active participant in my own care. The OSU family is humongous. There are so many subspecialists all over this incredible medical center. I wanted to work with them side by side because what I do often involves multidisciplinary care, working with neurologists, neurosurgeons, rheumatologists, and so on. And the collaborative atmosphere at Ohio State is really what drew me back. I wanted to make sure I was participating in the care of all my patients as a team. I am actually a Buckeye from back in medical school. I went to medical school here and worked with everybody in this department. I absolutely love the culture, so I decided to come back here for residency. And then I did my pediatric ophthalmology fellowship at Cincinnati Children's Hospital, followed by a neuro-ophthalmology fellowship at University of Cincinnati/Cincinnati Eye Institute. Outside of work, I like to spend a lot of time with my family around food. I'm Indian, my wife is Italian. We grew up in big food households, so we love to cook. We love to eat just as much as we love to cook. And then we like to get outside and go hiking and cycling as well, and do all the exercise we need to keep eating some more.